Hello traders, in this video I'm going to teach you the difference between a market structure shift and a liquidity grab. And for the purpose of doing that, because I don't want to confuse you, what we are gonna do is the following. We will implement the strategy that I talked about in this video that you can see right now on the top right of your screen, which is based only on the 1 minute time frame. And of course you can use this strategy in forex as well, but here I am gonna be using Nasdaq. And if you haven't watched the video, go ahead and watch it right now. Before watching this one, we do take into account the news. When we have a red folder here on Forex Factory, this means that we have high impact news. So we knew that 10 AM New York time we were expecting high impact news. Look now how the market is tricking people out of their positions. Here many of you would have looked at that as a change of character. It is not a change of character though, and of course it is just a grab of liquidity. Even on the 1 minute time frame you can see how we just broke with a wick and then we closed impulsively below the area once again. And this happened exactly at 10:01. What did happen afterwards? It is very simple. Afterwards we have the real change of character. And there is a major difference between this one right here and this one right here. And the difference is that here we broke impulsively below both of these areas, while in this occasion right here we just grabbed the liquidity and then we closed with a very large wick, which is made in order to confuse traders. And if you look at this candlestick exactly at 10 o'clock, it is a very strong bullish candlestick, which is made in a way to confuse those traders who saw this thing as an order block over here and then they entered impulsively here with a stop loss below this candlestick. Price of course did the exact opposite at 10:01 and we had an impulsive movement breaking the structure at 10:04. Now I would be looking for this fair value gap over here in order to place a trade. This did not happen, but this is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to identify liquidity grabs and how to identify proper changes of character. What I will do now, I will take you to the previous day and we will look at the same exact thing. First of all, let's go to the news over here. We did have news at 10 AM New York time on US dollar, as you see right here. So let's go to the previous day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of April 2023. Here we are on Tuesday, 4th of April 2023, and we know that we have news at 10 AM New York time. Here is the 9:30 move. We see that we grab liquidity from both sides. Actually, people who saw this one and entered impulsively here, now they are out of the position. But what did I say in the previous video? The video that I linked at the beginning of this video, I said that we will wait for 10 o'clock because now we have news at 10 o'clock. So let's wait for the 10 o'clock news to play out and then we will see the exact same thing, the difference between a grab of liquidity and a proper change of character. We are at 9:58 right here. What I will do right now, of course many people saw this one as a change of character, so now they are very much interested in these areas down here in order to enter their trades, correct? Let's see what price did at 10 or a little bit further than 10. I will move forward only on the 1 minute time frame. Let's do it like that, it's way more optimal. There you go. We break above this area and here we are at 10:02, again the exact same thing. What do we see here? We do see that we did grab liquidity above this area right here, and at the very same time we know that people see this very strong bullish pressure and now they're looking at all of these areas in order to place buy orders. The logic is very simple though, because we saw that we had news at 10 o'clock and we see what happened at 10:02, almost the exact same thing. At 10:01 we grabbed liquidity above this area, 10:02 we made a bearish candlestick. Is this enough to enter? No, of course it's not. Let me highlight that as a grab of liquidity. Okay, grab of liquidity happened here. Let's see if we are given the chance to enter a trade here, opposite of what other traders are looking to trade. course, you can check out for divergence between S&P and Nasdaq. But let's see here what we have. We grab even more liquidity above this area. You have to think about it. Time is 10:13. Even more people think now that this is a continuation because of the strong bullish pressure and that we are gonna be continuing towards the upside, but look what happens. There you go. You can go ahead and enter here instantly. And what did we say? People are looking to take positions, long positions in all of these areas right here. What you can do, of course, is to target all of these positions, because if your logic plays out, it will play out entirely. It will throw them out of their positions. So let's see how this would play out. There you go. And your whole story has played out perfectly, as you see, for a 3.71 reward to risk. Again, when you look at price action close to the news, expect for price to break in the opposite direction of the one that you are willing to trade. Here we see very strong bullish pressure. When you see a very strong candlestick such as this candlestick right here, exactly on the news, more likely than not liquidity will be grabbed above the area, and then when we will be given the proper change of character, we can enter opposite to that. This is how you can identify a liquidity grab. This is also a liquidity grab right here. And then when you see the real move, in this occasion, it happened at 10:17. This is now the proper change of character. You can enter instantly here, or as I have said in the previous video, wait for a bit of retracement and enter here. And you can place the stop loss here in order to be safe, or you can place it right here. Go ahead and target the next area over there, because if this happens, if this plays out, it means that your premise was correct. Hopefully this video puts things into perspective. This is the difference between a change of character and a liquidity grab. In order to be able to understand it, you can also use time, as I have taught you right here, and you can use time with the news. This is what I'm doing lately. It increases the probability of winning a trade. And of course, you can check out for divergence between Nasdaq and S&P 500, or if you're trading Euro USD, you can check for divergence between Euro US dollar and the dollar index, and so on and so forth. Now, some things regarding the giveaway. We now have 63 people in the giveaway. Be sure that you like the video and leave any comment that you want to leave, and I will make sure to automatically include you in this giveaway, which will happen with a random number generator, and I am going to be giving away 2 subscriptions in the ChrisFX Academy absolutely for free for 1 month to 2 random people out of the 100. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.